Hey, how's it going on my accent? I don't know if she's gonna actually let me film any of this, but let's try it out. Can you come over here, please? Stay there. You tried this water fountain before. Just, yeah, stay there. So today I want to show you this water fountain that this brand sent to me for this video, which she's been trying. We have 4 cats at home, and 2 of them tried it already and they really liked it, which I think is the most important thing. This one, don't worry, I'm going to show it to you in a close up in a few seconds. But this one, it is massive. It is 135 ounces. So this one is really big. You're not going to have to worry about filling this one up for a long time, which I think it is really good. Some other things that I also like about this one is come with cleaning tools. So you will be able to clean it too. And 2 replacement filters, because this one comes with a filter inside that you are going to be able to just like put it in. Once that you have full of water, you can just put it in, and that's pretty much it. The other thing that I really like about this one, and I'm just getting like super quiet because I'm going to put my microphone over here, is that this one, based on the size and based on that the water is actually flowing from a tall place with this kind of like really nice hose over here, or not hose, kind of like same thing, like a faucet, let's say like a faucet. This one, it is really quiet. That one got me surprised. But now let's just take a closer look. Well, she's taking a drink now, so that is super good. And without Mini, come on, come on, you're just watering all your ears. Things that I like, as I was just telling you before, it comes with a neon light over here, so you're gonna always be able to see how much water it has left. And it also this really big surface over here with the 135 ounces, so there is enough room for them to just have a drink, and just like if you have 1, 2, or 3 cats, they can be drinking at the same time, like she's doing it right now. And the stainless steel is gonna be for sure always the best thing for your cats. Stainless steel, 135 ounces, stage filtration system with 2 separate filters and cleaning tools, and really easy to use once that is plugged to the wall. Most importantly, super quiet. She likes it. That's the most important thing. Thanks for watching. See you soon.